Hey guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs, and the BMW is back. It's at my place today and we're going to be install the जो GPS mount आगे का वो install करेंगे, which will also help stabilize the visor further. जो आपने मेरे visor का वीडियो का देखा रहेगा, I think 5th वीडियो वगैरह रहेगा वो. So in that we showed that the visor bit wobbles, so that will get resolved in this vlog. Already opened the visor that we had installed that day, so nothing, just 4 bolts had to be taken off, and now we're going to assemble this. This one actually it's already come pre-assembled. It's the GPS mount. This 2 points will go in the front number plate holder, and this is kind of the stabilizer bar या फिर stabilizer clamp बोल सकते हैं आप, which will help keep this stabilized, the GPS mount. Along with that, it also kind of helps keep the visor stable. So we'll just assemble that first, and then once I kind of install, I'll show it to you. This also has come along with the GPS mount. You've got a proper waterproof mobile holder, and it is big enough to take my OnePlus 8 Pro. तो जिनके पास iPhone 13 Pro वगैरह भी है, वो भी शायद इसमें आराम से चले जाएंगे. So you put the mounting brackets of the GPS holder like this, okay, and whole assembly along with your number plate and etc. everything. Put it here. Don't fully tighten it. Okay. You will need 2 people, one person to hold the brackets up front. Because they're likely to come out from this bolt. So to put this stabilizer clamp, loosen this bolt. Don't tight, पूरा मत खोलना उसको, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा उसको लूज़ करना है, एंड ये क्लैम्प उसमें स्लाइड करना है. उसके बाद मैच इट हियर एंड एक बोल्ट डाल दो इधर से, ओके, फ्रॉम दिस साइड. सेम इस तरह इस साइड किया हमने. आगे के 4 बोल्ट्स जो है वो डाल दिए, लेकिन पूरा टाइट नहीं किया. अब इसका बीच का जो एक्चुअल माउंट है, दैट वी विल फिक्स हियर एंड पुट द बोल्ट्स. थोड़ा सबको हाँ ऐसे स्प्रेड करना पड़ेगा, एंड देन पुट द बोल्ट्स. ये एंगल थोड़ा सा आपको डिफ़िकल्ट गिरेगा, बट हो जाएगा. सो वी इंस्टॉल द एक्चुअल GPS माउंट टू. ये पीछे से एक ही बोल्ट पे बैठता है. ये बहुत सिंपल है, इसका कुछ मैंने वीडियो नहीं दिखाया, बट ये सब बोल्ट्स टाइट कर दिए फाइनली. एक स्ट्रोक में कोई भी बोल्ट टाइट मत करना. डो नॉट टाइटल एनी ऑफ दिस बोल्ट एट द फर्स्ट स्ट्रोक. सब पहले असेंबल एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस, प्लेस द बोल्ट स्लाइटली इन जगह पे रखना, थोड़े से थ्रेड टाइट कर देना. वंस एवरीथिंग इज़ इन प्लेस, उसके बाद सब लास्ट में टाइट करना, एंड स्टार्ट टाइटनिंग फ्रॉम हियर. फर्स्ट टाइटन दीज 4 bolts, then this bottom one for this anti-vibration or anti-clamp, anti this thing, because this wobbles a lot. तो ये टाइट कर देना first, then these 2 over here, okay, these, and then put the cross rod, this one, and then it's bolt. You can to make your life easier, if you have use these angled Allen keys. I'll show you how these work. So when you have a tight space, these work at an angle. These Allen keys, normal Allen keys would work at straight perpendicular when they are horizontal to each other, but these one work at angle. So such angled tools are really useful. So this holder operates really well. I mean, we're getting everything operates really well from this GPS mount also. Rahul is gone to check the bike. He is inside the society only. Please don't mind he is without the helmet, because आवाज़ें चेक करनी है, कुछ वाइब्रेट किधर कर रहा है क्या. So this is the GPS mount. पूरा बैठ गया अभी perfectly, and कुछ हिल भी नहीं रहा है, not vibrating वगैरह, nothing is happening. इसका purchase link I'll leave it in the video description if you want to purchase. And again, कुछ अगर सवाल हैं तो you can put it in the video comments. I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we get free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. Oh, I feel so alive.